Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2012 Town and Country minivan, and in this video I will show you all the fuel pump fuses. This video applies to Town and Country minivans made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. You will want to check these fuses in case your minivan is not starting up and you suspect there is no power coming to the fuel pump. So before replacing the fuel pump and having that huge expense, make sure to check all the fuses. Main fuse box is located under the front hood, just next to the vehicle battery, right here. Now to lift this cover, you'll have two clips here and here. So what you want to do, you want to press onto both of these and lift the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram as well. Okay, so the main fuse you want to check is fuse number M25, which will be located right here. This is your main fuel pump fuse, and the second one is fuse number M37, which will be a 10 amp red fuse. So these two fuses, and there is a fuel pump relay located just here in the bottom right corner. Now the best way to test it is just try replacing it with any of the other ones and see if that makes a difference. If it does, just get a new relay and have it replaced. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.